Thank you for watching Lao News Channel.
I therefore declare Omara Awio, who has pulled the highest number of votes, as the duly elected NRM flag bearer for Otuke County of Parliament 2025.
As a candidate and on behalf of my campaign team, we reject these results, but for sure I can assure you I will be in the ballot.
The Uganda People's Congress Party President Jimmy James Michael Akena's nomination has been annulled by High Court in Kampala. 6 incumbent MPs lose NRM primary elections in Lao. Thank you very much for watching Lao News Channel. I am Denis Ongora. We look at the details. The High Court in Kampala has quashed the nomination of Jimmy Akena for Party President 2025 to 2030, following the application filed by UPC presidential candidate Denis Adam. Immediately after their nomination, the judge of the High Court Civil Division Kampala, Bernard Namanya, ordered that the nomination of Jimmy James Michael Akena for the office of the Party President of Uganda People's Congress for the period of 2025 to 2030 is illegal and therefore null and void. He also ordered that an order of certiorari is issued quashing the decision by Uganda People's Congress to nominate Jimmy James Michael Akena for the office of the party president for the period of 2025 to 2030. That an order of injunction is issued restraining Uganda People's Congress from further nominating Jimmy Akena as the candidate for office of the party president for the period 2025 to 2030. It was also ordered that each party shall bear its own cost. Adam Enap in an affidavit sworn on the 13th day of June 2025 stated that under Article 14 Section 1 Clause 3 of the UPC Constitution, a party president can only serve 2 terms. He said that Jimmy Akena has already served 2 terms as a party president of UPC. Adam said that Akena was first elected as a party president for the period of 2015 to 2020 and served a full term. That he was then elected for the second and final term in 2020 to 2025. For this reason, Adam states that Jimmy Akena was illegally nominated for the office of the party president for the period of 2025 to 2030. In his own opinion, the judge Namanya said the decision by Lady Justice Irene Mulyagonja, the judge of the Court of Appeal, delivered in the year 2020, proved that Akena successfully served his first term as UPC party president for the period 2015 to 2020. According to Namanya, although Akena's election as party president had been quashed in 2015 by a ruling delivered by Justice Nyanzi Yasin, he did not vacate office but rather continued to serve his first full term as UPC party president, basing on an order of the Court of Appeal staying the execution of the High Court ruling. Namanya stated that the evidence before the court is that Akena was elected as party president for UPC for the second term in 2020 up to 2025. The UPC Secretary General Fred Ebil Ebil said they are still going to sit down and discuss the course of action. Meanwhile, Adam Enap expressed his excitement over this ruling, saying that the Electoral Commission of Uganda People's Congress should go ahead and declare him as the duly elected party president of Uganda People's Congress, since he has passed unopposed.
Election was very clear. There's no harm, no fighting in Erute South.
6 incumbent members of parliament lose NRM primary elections in Lao. The 6 members of parliament who lost their NRM party flags to the newcomers. Among them include a left-tongue woman member of parliament, Acen Dorcus, a Erute North member of parliament, Christine Akello alias Gwok Adaho, Kwania County member of parliament, Tony Ayo, Kole woman member of parliament, Judith Alek, Dokolo North member of parliament, Moses Goli, and Kyoga North member of parliament, James Olobo, also known as Dubai. The list of winners include the following: Ajuri County, Denis Hamson Obua, a left-tongue woman member of parliament, Mercy Lakis, Moroto County, Samuel Okwir, Lira City East, Denis Alyela Omodi, Lira City West, Eddie Morris Ogweng, Lira City Woman Mayor of Parliament, Dr. Jane Ruth Aceng, Erute South Sam Engola, Erute North Patrick Ungom Aregedeng, Lira District Woman Member of Parliament, Agnes Linda Auma, Kwania North James Ongutar, unopposed, Kwania County Tony Eron, Kwania District Susan Apio Atek-ilwak, Kole North Dr. Samuel Opiachuri, Kole South Boniface Henry Okot, unopposed. Kole Woman Member of Parliament, Sandra Acheng. Uyam South, Patrick Ogwang Obura. Uyam North, Willie Omodo. Uyam Woman Member of Parliament, Jane Francis Ashilo. Otuke County, Paul Omara. Otuke East, Julius Ashon. Otuke Woman Member of Parliament, Susan Abeja. Doholo North, Joseph Jones Ogwal, Casimiro. Doholo South, Felix Okot Ogong. Doholo Woman Member of Parliament, Janet Rose Adon Eliao. Maruzi County, Moses Opero. Maruzi North, Bernard Utim. Apache Municipality, Nexion Isaac Hema Odon. Apache Woman Member of Parliament, Betty Awor Engola. Kyoga County, Felix Adupa Onwech. Kyoga North, Peter Okodo. Amolata Woman Member of Parliament, Agnes Atim Apea. Thank you very much for watching Lao News Channel. That's all we had for you today.
Thank you for watching Lango News Channel. Please subscribe for more updates.